Make it easy for your leads to submit their addresses and boost conversions with Heyflow's new address block. In this video, we'll show you why the address block is a must-have for your forums and how to set it up in just a few steps. Let's get started. The address block in Heyflow brings two powerful tools to your forums: Google Maps Autocomplete, which helps visitors quickly fill out their address details, and an embedded map, providing visual confirmation of the entered location. So what are the benefits of using the address block? Improved user experience. Visitors can easily select their address or confirm it visually on the map, making the process smoother and faster. Increased accuracy. Google's data ensures precise and valid address entry, reducing errors from manual typing. And higher conversion rates. Simplifying address entry encourages more visitors to complete the form, boosting your lead generation overall. Now let's dive into the setup process. In your Heyflow builder, simply drag and drop the address block into the editing panel. To get the full experience of the address block, you will need to connect your Google account, as the autocomplete requests will be built directly by Google. For this, you will need to create an API key to make sure your account stays secure and only requests made through your blog will be built to your account. Don't worry though, we'll take you through the setup process. Number 1. Set up your Google Cloud Console. Go to cloud.google.com and either log into your existing account or create a new one. Once you're in, you first need to select the project you would like to connect your flow to or create a new project. Number 2. Enable APIs. You'll need to enable two APIs in your Google Cloud project: the Maps JavaScript API and the New Places API. You can simply follow the links in our Help Center article, but if you want to find them on your own, make sure to select the New Places API and not the old one. Number 3. Generate the API key. In your Google Cloud Console, click on the navigation icon in the top left corner. Go to APIs and Services and then to Credentials. Click on the Create Credentials button and select API key. Then a pop-up window will open with your new API key. Copy this one for later. In the list view, you can click on your API key to edit its name and settings, which brings us to number 4. Restrict your API key. To protect your API key from unauthorized use, we highly recommend restricting it to your flows and domains. Choose websites as your application restriction and then enter the domain your flow is connected to. We recommend connecting both your domain and the default subdomain provided by Heyflow. Click Save once done. It could take up to 5 minutes for changes to take effect. Please keep in mind that the autocomplete feature and the map won't work in your live preview in the Heyflow app, so make sure to test it once it's published and connected to the right domain. Now go back to Heyflow and paste your API key into the address block setup helper. Then enable the integration. Now you can adjust further settings if you want. For example, restricting the autocomplete results to certain countries, changing the language of the autocomplete results, as well as showing the Google map. Also, don't forget to give your address block a system label to make sure you can process the collected data in a meaningful way. And that's all. Your address block is fully set up. Now you can also add it to other Heyflows without having to go through the activation process again. Check out our other tutorial videos or the Help Center to learn more about this and all other Heyflow features. Happy building and have a great day!